Loafers are one of the most versatile and stylish shoes a man over 40 can wear when styled correctly. But even the smallest misstep can instantly ruin your entire look. Maybe you're pairing them with the wrong jeans, socks that kill the vibe, or loafers that scream outdated instead of refined. The result? You end up looking sloppy instead of sharp. In this video, we'll break down 10 loafer mistakes that age you on, how to fix them like a true gentleman. These fixes are simple, timeless, and designed to help you look younger, more confident, and effortlessly polished. And if you're a man who values style without chasing trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This channel is your go-to source for modern, mature style that actually works. Let's elevate your loafer game starting right now. 1. Wearing worn-out loafers. Nothing ruins your look faster than beat-up, scuffed loafers. They may feel comfortable, but they instantly downgrade your entire outfit. Loafers are a style statement. They should look polished, not punished. The soles are worn down or the leather is cracked, it's time to retire them. Invest in a well-crafted pair with clean lines and minimal wear. They don't have to be expensive, just clean, conditioned, and properly shaped. And here's the fix. Use shoe trees to maintain structure, rotate your pairs, and condition the leather monthly. A sharp loafer instantly elevates even the simplest jeans. Worn-out ones, they make you look like you gave up. 2. Pairing loafers with baggy jeans. Loafers are sleek by nature. When paired with baggy or oversized jeans, they clash terribly, making you look shorter, sloppier, and older. The key is balance. Slim straight or tapered jeans flatter the leg and complement the refined shape of loafers. If your jeans have excess fabric pooling over your shoes, it's a style red flag. You want a clean break, just brushing the top of the loafer without engulfing it. Tailoring your jeans or buying the right cut makes a huge difference. The fix: get your inseam measured and avoid relaxed or loose fits unless you're styling deliberately. Three. Choosing flashy or overly trendy loafers. Loafers with logos, studs, or exaggerated tassels might look fashion-forward, but for men over 40, they often feel True style comes from restraint. Flashy loafers tend to distract and age you ironically by trying to look younger. Instead, opt for timeless designs in neutral tones: brown, black, burgundy, or suede in earthy shades. Minimalism always wins. The fix: stick to classic styles like penny or bit loafers, and let your confidence, not your shoes, do the talking. Refined simplicity gives you a quiet luxury vibe that's far more appealing. For ignoring sock choice, wearing the wrong socks, or, worse, visible athletic socks with loafers ruins the entire look. White cotton gym socks sticking out of dressy loafers. That's a style sign. On the flip side, going completely sockless can cause discomfort or foot odor. They fixed no-show socks, they keep your feet comfortable while maintaining a clean, bare-ankle look. If you want to wear visible socks, choose fine-gauge styles in dark or coordinating tones. No novelty prints. The details matter, especially as we age. Your feet shouldn't be a distraction. They should complete the outfit seamlessly. 5. Loafers that don't match the occasion. Wearing loafers to a beach barbecue. Great. Wearing the same loafers to a formal dinner. Maybe not. Not all loafers are created equal. Some are casual like suede or driving loafers, while others like leather bit or penny loafers can lean formal. The mistake is treating all loafers the same, regardless of context. Matching the formality of your loafer to the event is a subtle art that makes you look intentional, not clueless. The fix? Know your setting and build a loafer wardrobe that covers both smart casual and semi-dressy moments. Six. Wearing loafers that are too tight or too loose. Poorly fitting loafers not only look awkward, they're uncomfortable, and it shows in how you move. If your loafers are too tight, you'll walk stiffly. Too loose, and your feet slide around, making you shuffle or grip awkwardly with your toes. Neither is flattering. And worse, ill-fitting shoes can ruin your posture over time. The fix: always try loafers on at the end of the day when your feet are slightly swollen. You want a snug fit at the heel with enough room in the toe box. If needed, use leather stretchers or heel grips for small adjustments. Loafers should support you, not work against you. Walking confidently in the right fit makes you look polished and powerful. Seven. Skipping maintenance and polishing. Even high-end loafers will look cheap if they're dirty, dull, or full of scuff marks. Loafers are an investment, and maintenance is key to preserving that rich, elegant look. A quick brush or polish can transform them in seconds. The mistake most men make: treating leather like it's indestructible. It's not. Regular conditioning, waterproofing, and polishing keep the leather supple and vibrant. The fix: build a simple shoe care routine. Use a horsehair brush, cream polish in matching color, and condition monthly. For suede, a rubber eraser and suede brush are lifesavers. Well-maintained shoes make the whole outfit look sharper. Eight. Neglecting the hem length of jeans or pants. Too long and your pants swallow the loafers. Too short and they make you look like you outgrew your wardrobe. Hem length is everything when it comes to loafers. The goal: a clean, no break or slight break finish just above the shoe. Excess fabric creates bunching and hides your footwear, making the outfit look sloppy. Tailoring is your friend here. The fix: cuff your pants temporarily if needed, but ideally have them hemmed by a professional. Even a $40 pair of jeans can look high-end when they hit the right spot. Nine. Wearing loafers without confidence. Loafers are bold in their own quiet ways. They exude nonchalant confidence. But if you look unsure in them, it shows. Shuffling, slouching, or checking your outfit every few minutes makes you look uncomfortable. No matter how expensive your shoes are, confidence is the final style. Layer and, without it, even designer loafers fall flat. The fix: wear them around the house until they feel natural. Stand straight, take longer strides, and trust your look. When you look comfortable, others see style. Wear your loafers like they were made for you, because they are. Treating loafers like sneakers. Loafers and sneakers serve different purposes. Sneakers are for workouts or athleisure looks. Loafers are smart casual or semi-formal. Trying to style them the same way is a mistake. Many men over 40 try to mix joggers or hoodie-style tops with loafers, thinking it's trendy. It's not. It's confusing. The fix: treat loafers with the respect they deserve. Pair them with structured pieces: polos, crisp jeans, tailored trousers, or lightweight knits. That's when they shine. Don't dress them down too far, or you risk looking mismatched and messy. Remember, loafers are the grown-ups' answer to stylish comfort. So there you have it, 10 loafer mistakes that instantly make you look sloppy, and how to fix them with confidence. The truth is, stylish men over 40 don't follow trends, they master the details. From the right pant break to avoiding cheap, outdated loafers, each of these tips can make a massive difference in how polished and modern you appear. Remember, the goal isn't just to look good, but to look effortlessly refined, like someone who knows exactly what he's doing. If this video helped sharpen your loafer game, give it a like, leave a comment with your biggest takeaway, and of course, subscribe for more smart style tips made for men over 40. Looking sharp is a mindset, and you've already taken the first step.